Hey, welcome to 1 Minute Excel. Today I wanted to show you two ways you can relocate formulas. Basically, if you wanted to move this box down while keeping these formulas intact, if these formulas aren't hard-coded and locked in, I'll show you what the error does when you don't do it right. So if you were to copy it down here, you can see it's actually moving the cells down. Q1 doesn't make sense, Q2, Q3, they're all a mess now by making this move. So I'm just going to do Control Z on the keyboard to undo that. So your first option is select the table you want to copy and do Control X to cut it. Select where you want to paste it and do Control V. And you can see now it's copied it, it's kept everything intact. But let's say we actually wanted to move these formulas while keeping this box intact. Let's say we wanted two views. I want one here and maybe I want one over here. So I can select the data. I'm going to do Control H on the keyboard, which is a find and replace. I'm going to say equals. I'm going to flip it to ampersand or any character here. Basically, I just want to stop it being a formula. So once I have selected the criteria I want, I'm going to do Alt A or hit replace all. And you can see now it looks a little odd because it's replaced the formulas. But now what we can do is we can actually copy this over wherever we want. Let's put it over here. We'll just fix the formatting there. So now we have our table here. And now what you can do is go in here and select both in this case. And now just invert it. So go back, Control H, find replace. Now we're going to change the ampersand to an equal sign and hit Alt A or replace all. You see now it's copied it over correctly. Everything's intact. And this is a great time save and will be very useful in the future. Thanks for watching.